Now I show you the using way connect the gas hose, and this is power in, power out, DMX in, DMX out, and DMX mode and manual mode. And this is for the DMX address change. Now let's connect the power cable. You can see the power indicator lamp turn on here. And now let's see the manual mode. You can hear the valve open and close sound. This is manual mode or electrical control mode. Okay, now let's test the DMX mode. Push to DMX. Connect the DMX cable. You can see the lamp turn on. DMX lamp turn on. Okay. Now let's push channel 1. You can hear the valve inside close and open very quick, only 1 second. Now this is push channel 2 and channel 1 together. You can hear the valve open and close, 3 seconds. Let's hear again. Okay, now it's closed. First, manual mode. Now let's test DMX mode. Channel 1. Now let's push channel 2 and push channel 1 again.